Synth East 2026 is brought to you by Electronic Sound Magazine, the Norwich Arts Centre and Molten Music Technology. Hello, I'm Robin and welcome to this, the last update before we embark upon the exciting adventure which is Synth East. This weekend we embrace all of the control voltages, all of the signals, the audio, the sound, the bleeps, the bloops, the whirs and the in a fantastic festival of synthesizer goodness. It's a fantastic time. I can't wait to be exhausted at the other end. But anyway, I thought I'd just give you this last update on what is actually happening, where we are and how well it's all going. Well, it's all going really well, thank you very much. We've sold out the entire Saturday. That's the daytime Expo event is all sold out. The evening is all sold out, which is marvellous. So I can't wait to be there amongst a packed crowd of people getting really enthusiastic about synthesizers and enjoying some fantastic performances. But we do still have some room on Friday night where we're going to see a film about the studio electrophonic. We're going to enjoy the musing of two musos musing about vinyl, and special guests are going to be flown in by video link to interject into this awesome conversation about vinyl, music, publishing and Electronic Sound Magazine. That is all going to be rounded off by a marvellous set of music from Lily Sphere in the bar afterwards. We also have a couple of spots still available for the Sunday DIY workshop. Now, Sunday is purely a DIY workshop run by Erica Synths and Moritz Klein. They're going to teach us prototyping, circuit design, and get really under the skin of what analog hi-hat sound is all about. It's a once in a lifetime, very, very exclusive DIY workshop, and we have a couple of spaces left. So if that interests you at all, do go to Norwich Arts Centre and bag yourself a place. I will be there making tea, making coffee, sharing donuts and perhaps making a little bit of music while you focus on what it is you're doing. And at the end of the workshop, you get to take away an entire Erica Synths hi-hat kit that you can build yourself at home. One little note about the Expo on the Saturday. We've had a little bit of shuffling of manufacturers, but what this means is that Synth Picnic, which is my monthly synthesizer event, now has a couple of tables. And on those tables you will find synthesizers from manufacturers who couldn't sadly be there. So I'm going to have the TO5 from Oberheim, going to have the Form from Sequential, going to have the little Workshop from Music Thing Modular, and the Astrolab 37 from Arturia. I've also been able to give the ProSynth network a little bit more room for their awesome array of fascinating synthesizers. Another note is to say you absolutely can buy things on the day and the manufacturers are there ready to take your money. We also have a kind of a mild connection with Signal Sounds, who will happily deliver something to you a couple of days after the show if you find that there's something that you want that you can't buy on site. And there will of course be beer and snacks and crisps. It's going to be a fantastic time. If you don't have a ticket, I'm really, really sorry. But a point on that if you have tickets and you can't make it, whether it's to the Expo during the day or to see Cabaret Voltaire in the evening, if you have tickets and you can't make it, please get in touch. Please let me know, because I can connect you with people who would love to have those tickets. So if for any reason you can't make it, do please get in touch. That would be excellent. Otherwise, really looking forward to it. I've got to come up with some kind of arrangement of modules to bring to do a bit of a performance during the patch off, and then also I'm performing a little bit with Scanner in the evening, so lots for me to do this week. But other than that, I'm really looking forward to seeing you all for another hopelessly fantastic Synth East.